If you want creative control of your AI video process, forget Sora 2 and V3.
What's happening?
Keep driving.
I can't look away.
Don't slow down.
Is it moving?
It's moving.
With Dzine's AI Voice Pro Lip Sync, you decide the emotion and the timing.
Echo contest at the Old Quarry. First shout wins lemonade.
Or we press wildflowers on the ridge.
With your own voices, or even with ElevenLabs V3 emotion tagged voices. This is what creative freedom looks like. Pro video lip sync mode. Give this video just 10 minutes and you'll learn how to create your own 4-character realistic lip sync scenes, assign voices, set timings, and even dub real video footage with your own professional lip synced audio. Let's jump straight in.
What is that?
No way.
Are we seeing this?
To save you time, I've created a full PDF pack which has all of the prompts and picture examples for this video. And you'll find that within the AI Creator Tools community, which is pinned below this video. So the first step in this process is to open lip sync mode over on the left-hand side. And next you're going to want to choose Pro mode and then pick the source image that you're going to bring to life with lip sync. And you can either generate that image originally or use an image that you already have on your computer. I generated the image I'm using here. And next you're going to want to choose and confirm the faces that you're going to use for lip sync. And once you've selected that, it'll bring you into this timeline here where you can now generate or upload the voices. In this example, I'm going to show you how you can generate the voices and you just type in the words you want them to say. So we're just building out the rest of the voices for the other characters here and then lining them up so that their screams are happening simultaneously. That's arranging the narrative flow. Next, I'm going to show you some things you can do with custom voices here. One of the things you could do when you're using the built-in voices within Dzine is you can change the grammar to change how the voices sound, whether you put in commas or 3 dots or exclamation marks, it changes how it sounds. Step 8 is to click the add button on the same line of narrative as someone that's already spoken, and you can create multiple times of the same characters speaking and have a back and forth conversation within one video generation. Then click generate and the video will be created for you.
What is that?
No way.
Are we seeing this?
Keep driving.
I can't look away.
Don't slow down.
Is it moving?
Oh, it's moving.
Each of these prompts was created with just one JSON prompt. You'll find all of these JSON prompts in the blueprint pack available within the AI community in the link in the pinned description below this video. That video was created using image to voice sync. Later in this video, we'll be looking at video to voice sync, where you can create an animated video first and then voice sync it afterwards in the pro mode now as well. Next, we're going to look at another image to video example now with lots of different cut shots to show you what can be achieved when you get a little bit more creative.
Echo contest at the Old Quarry. First shout wins lemonade.
Or we press wildflowers on the ridge. Memories outlast echoes.
Both. 2 stops, 1 life tip from a stranger. Deal?
Deal! Tiny quest, big day, let's roll.
The video you just watched was this project called Summer. This is one of the scenes that was lip synced, and over the shoulder shot here, looking at the lady in green and the guy in red. I created the voices for these characters in ElevenLabs to give them different tonalities and expressions of emotions. And one of the decisions I made when creating the narrative for this particular video is I created the whole narrative in one audio file, as you can see laid out here.
Echo contest at the Old Quarry. First shout wins lemonade.
Or we press wildflowers on the ridge. Memories outlast echoes.
Both. 2 stops, 1 life tip from a stranger.
And so we've got the girls speaking here, and we can just trim off the beginning of the audio and then bring that back to the beginning.
Both. 2 stops, 1 life tip from a stranger. Deal?
Deal!
And at that point, the guy in the red t-shirt's speaking, so we'll just trim the end before he speaks. And now we're going to add the audio again that contains all of the speakers and trim it so that we have just the guy in the red shirt speaking. It lines up now, and we just double check that.
Both. 2 stops, 1 life tip from a stranger. Deal?
Deal! Tiny quest, big day, let's roll.
And next I'll just trim the end of the picture here because we don't need any excess video generated on the end. And you can see the credits change depending on how long the lip sync generation is. And now I'll just click generate. And so that is generating at the top of the queue here. I've saved the best for last. This is Dzine's Lip Sync Pro feature, where you can take an animated version of the video like you've just seen and now animate the lip sync from a video. And so it's the same kind of process. We select the 4 characters that we want to lip sync and we click OK. And then in this example, I also used ElevenLabs to animate the voices. And here we are within the timeline. So we go to upload audio, select upload audio, and I created the voices separately in this one. So for each character, they have their own audio laid out. And so I'm going to go in quickly and select all of the voices for all of the 4 different characters and put them onto the timeline. And you can see they don't match because they all have different lines that they say within this video. So you can see that this enables different ways of working within the same platform. So the first thing I'm going to do is line up their first lines.
Keep driving.
What's happening?
Oh,
What?
it's moving.
No
Are we-
way. Don't
Seeing
slow
I can't
down.
look away.
Is it moving?
And you can hear at the beginning now with them all lined up like that, it's a complete mess because they're not in sync like they should be. So I continue here to adjust and trim these files and move them into a position where they will make sense in the final playout. And now with the first screams all in place, I clicked add and I add the audio files for each of the characters again and trim their second lines into position. Then repeat that process for the third set of lines for each of the characters, adding again the same audio files for each of the characters and trimming their third lines into position. And once that's done, then I play it out to check that it plays well.
What is that?
No way.
What's happening?
Keep driving.
I can't look away.
Don't slow down.
Is it moving?
It's moving.
And it happens to also fit within the 10-second video clip that I was using, which means that I didn't need to generate a second video clip using something like Kling start and end files.
What is that?
No way.
What's happening?
Keep driving.
I can't look away.
Don't slow down.
Is it moving?
It's moving.
So one thing you need to keep in mind when using the video to lip sync is the length of the video that you're using. In this case, the video generated was just 10 seconds. So I needed to make sure that all of the lip sync fit within 10 seconds. Because if you do go over 10 seconds, then the video will loop back to the beginning. But if it had gone over 10 seconds, I was planning to use Kling start and end frames to create a second clip and put the second part of the narration with the second clip so it would look continuous. Finally, for the end shot of this particular video, I created a second angle using the chat editor. I created this angle here looking in through the window using the prompt that you see on screen in the chat editor, which begins cinematic side view of the same car driving fast along a desert highway, sunlight flaring across the frame. Through the side windows, 4 young adults are visible inside, reacting dramatically to something ahead of them. And this begs the question, what is that thing that's ahead of them? If you think you know, drop your answer in the comments below, and I look forward to hearing what you think has surprised and shocked these 4 adults so much. Then using image to video with Kling, this is the prompt that you now see on screen that was used for the image to video to create the cinematic ending to this video, which reads a cinematic side tracking shot of a vintage car speeding down a sunlit desert highway. Inside the car, 4 young adults are visible through the windows, their faces frozen between shock and disbelief as they look towards something unseen ahead. The golden sunlight flares across the lens, washing the frame with warmth and mystery. The camera glides smoothly alongside the car, maintaining a steady view as the landscape rushes by. Endless sand, scattered rocks, and distant mountains glowing in the fading light. The expressions of the passengers remain visible and expressive, illuminated by the low sun. The scene carries a sense of unresolved tension and wonder as the car continues forward into the horizon, the wind and dust trailing behind in slow motion. The mysterious object ahead is never revealed, only the reactions tell the story. Camera, side tracking dolly or drone low and parallel to the car, keeping motion fluid and cinematic. Lighting, golden hour, desert light with strong sun flares, long shadows, warm color temperature, soft reflection on the car body. Style tags, cinematic realism, mystery, expressive faces, golden sunlight, desert road, storytelling through reaction, atmospheric lens flare. So you've seen how each character can have multiple lip sync takes in the same scene, and you've also seen the new Pro Video lip sync mode. Incredible, right? To save you time, I've created a full PDF pack which has all of the prompts and picture examples for this video, and you'll find that within the AI Creator Tools community, which is pinned below this video. Just click in the link below and go into the community, and you'll find it within the YT downloads section of the community. Now you can make full scenes talk with multiple takes per character, and with Pro Video bring to life those video scenes with lip sync too. Try design lip sync for yourself today and let me know how you get along in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe for more videos like this with tools and tips for using the design platform.